Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think of it like a journey your code takes, from a simple idea all the way to being live and used by millions. Let's follow along this roadmap. It all starts with planning. The product owner is like the captain of this ship. They talk to users, understand their needs, and create stories. These are descriptions of the features we want to build. Next up is development. These stories then go to Jira, which is like a project management hub where developers can organize and track their work. The developers take these user stories and, well, they start coding. They commit their code to Git, which is like a version control system. It helps them keep track of all the changes they make and collaborate effectively. This code is often hosted on platforms like GitHub. While they're coding, they constantly get feedback, which helps them make sure they're on the right track. Once the code is written, it's time for build and package. The code goes through a build process, often automated using tools like Jenkins. This compiles the code, runs initial tests, and performs code quality checks using tools like JUnit for testing, Jacoco for code coverage, making sure our tests cover enough of the code, and SonarQube for overall code quality and security. The successful builds are then stored in an artifact repository, like JFrog Artifactory, which is like a safe storage for all the ready-to-go versions of our software. These builds are then packaged, often using Docker, which creates self-contained environments for our application to run consistently anywhere. This packaged application is then deployed to a development environment, a sandbox where developers can test things out. Now comes testing, a crucial stage. The packaged application is deployed to a QA, quality assurance, environment. Here, dedicated QA testers put the software through its paces, performing various types of testing like functional testing. Does it do what it's supposed to? Regression testing, did our new changes break anything that was working before? And performance testing, can it handle the load? If everything looks good in QA, it moves on to UAT, user acceptance testing. In this environment, sometimes actual users or stakeholders get to try out the new features to make sure they meet their needs and expectations. Finally, we reach release. If all the tests pass and everyone is happy, the feature is ready to go live. The packaged application, often using Docker again for consistency, is deployed to the production environment, the live environment that all our users interact with. But it doesn't stop there. SREs, site reliability engineers, are constantly monitoring, alerting if anything goes wrong, and escalating issues to the right teams to ensure the system stays healthy and reliable. Sometimes, companies use techniques like feature toggles, allowing them to turn features on or off without a full deployment, or canary deployments and A/B testing. So, that's the journey of code to production in a nutshell. It's a collaborative process involving different teams and tools, all working together to deliver new and improved software to you. Thanks for watching.